I'm STP auto expert Steve Letarte. Whether just heading down the street or on a great American road trip, we all want our cars to be ready when we are. One of the best ways to keep your car running in top form is to set up your own maintenance schedule. Servicing your car at regular intervals will help keep its systems in top shape, plus you get the satisfaction knowing the job was done right. Along with cleaning your fuel system, one of the most basic and essential service procedures you should perform on your vehicle is changing your engine's oil and filter. Always look at your owner's manual for how often you should do this. Here's a quick overview on how it should be done. There are some tools required. If you don't have them or can't borrow them, most auto parts stores rent tools. You'll need a floor jack to raise the car, jack stands to support it once it's jacked up, a container to catch the oil, a wrench to remove and replace the drain plug, a funnel, oil filter wrench, a few rags or paper towels, and a drop light. Check your owner's manual for how much oil your engine takes, as well as the proper viscosity, for example, 5W30. You should also check your owner's manual for all other fluid requirements in your car. Always remember, safety first. Get the car on level ground, then find a strong part under the car, like the frame, to position the floor jack against, then jack the car up. Once you have the car high enough, place the jack stands under the frame and slowly lower the car onto them. You can also keep the floor jack there as well for just a little extra security. And remember, if you drove the car before starting to change the oil, the engine oil will be hot. Give it a few minutes to cool down before moving on to the next step. Now that you know the car is safely jacked up, go underneath and find the oil pan and the drain plug. Get the correct size wrench and loosen the plug, but don't remove it all the way yet. Slide the container to catch the oil just forward of the drain plug, because the oil won't come down straight at first. Now take out the plug, let the oil drain completely, and replace the drain plug, but be very careful not to over-tighten. Now locate the oil filter. Place the drain pan under the oil filter. Slide the oil filter wrench over the oil filter and loosen it counterclockwise. Again, be very careful. Some of the oil may be hot and it will spill out as you loosen the filter. Before replacing the oil filter, fill it with new oil. This will help regulate the oil pressure by getting oil to the engine immediately upon startup. Oil is the lifeblood of your car's engine, so make sure you're using a high-quality product like STP motor oil. Also, put a light film of oil around the oil filter gasket with your finger, and have a rag handy. Keep in mind that not all oil filters are the same. Yours may look different than this one. Now replace the oil filter. Recheck the drain plug and oil filter to make sure that they're tight. Then remove the jack stands and lower the car to the ground. Open the hood and find the dipstick and the oil filler cap. Remove the cap and with a funnel, pour in the oil. While you already know how much oil your car should take, it's a great idea to check it from time to time. Remove the dipstick and see exactly how much oil is in the crankcase. When the oil level is correct, your job's done. Maintaining your car not only saves time and money, it gives you a sense of pride knowing that you did it yourself. STP offers proven additives that you can take advantage of. Along with the ones you've seen here, visit our website, stp.com. It has a full line of products for your engine, transmission, and other systems. If you're having a specific issue, our website also has a troubleshooting section that may have just the STP solution you're looking for. That's what STP is all about, helping your car perform at its best and keeping you in control.